Next.
Persons sitting out here.
They are auditioned. So, as requested by People's Aid, I just made this few statement just to open the program. And by this few words, I declare the inauguration and opening of the program. Thank you.
Treat listening to you. Please.
We have almost forgotten writing with pen. Is writing with pen, say, for 15 minutes in a day, is it like a beneficial for our
You should most of the time writing with the things, because you get tremor in case of old age, and then the writer's cramp is there. Never use computer for all this. Ask somebody else to do that. If you use computer, use for 1 or 2 hours. Otherwise, all the time go on writing.
Thank you so much.
This awareness came to my কি মই দেখিছোঁ বড়োলেণ্ডত বহুত ইয়াং ল'ৰা ছোৱালীবোৰৰ ব্লাড প্ৰেছাৰ হাই হৈ আছে বিকজ অফ they don't know that their blood pressure is high. To make them encourage to reduce their body weight, to have the exercise, to control the blood pressure, to control the blood sugar, all these things should be controlled, and it is possible to control it. That is the reason I came here and I was interacting about the stroke awareness program with the people of this area.
What are the main causes that people are suffering the heart stroke and several strokes in this region? Mostly from the Assam peoples have been.
Most of the people are living very sedentary life, and they are very having stressed life. They are not taking care of their diet, and they are not knowing that they are having blood pressure, hence they are not taking medicine. So they are not taking medicine, they are not controlling their body weight, they are suffering from stress, they are not doing any exercise, they are leading sedentary life. These are the main factor. Another factor I should say that they don't need to come to Siliguri. The Boroland, particularly Kokrajhar, is such a bright town, and here the people are so dynamic. So there must be a hospital here, so that all preventive work can be done by doing counseling and by doing muster health checkup, preventing health checkup, so that those people, they know that what is their blood pressure, what is their blood sugar, what is their body weight, what is their stress factor, what is their life activities, what is their diet, everything they will be able to know by interacting with the Good Doctors Association.
Very good center in the medical hub center in Kokrajhar, and I am ready to give financial support, but I need a real dynamic team who can carry it out. I love this place like my own. This is my home, like, and I love this place. I love each and every one of you like my heart, and I am ready to do anything I can do. With my limitation, I'll be doing it.
But in the governmental, the medical colleges are not giving the opportunity to take the higher studies to the doctor.
I don't understand why the health and then education cannot take care of the government. Government should be able to open up a medical college here. There are good ways. There are a lot of good doctors in India who have retired. They are ready to serve. If you see, Professor Head of the Department of All Institute of Medical Science, Professor Head of the Department of the CMCH Fellow, Professor Head of the Department of the different medical colleges of our country, those whose age is around 70 years, they'll be happy to do their social work for this. And I'll be the person who will call them, and there will be the cream of good doctors. But people, young boys and girls from the Kokrajhar should make their aim that we will be doctor, we will be neurosurgeon.
But sir, they are deprived from their getting the admissions due to
That's the reason. Here the political leaders try to find out the comfort zone for the people of the Kokrajhar. That, see, I can help you with some amount of finance. I can help you with my presence. I can work hard for you. But I am not a policy maker man, so I cannot change the policy. But there can be change if we all just go and talk to the minister and talk to the central government, all these young groups, right from the things. Definitely there should be some good institute, medical institute in this place.
thank you.
SME come awareness program, how to prevent ব্ৰেইন ষ্ট্ৰক ইয়াৰ ওপৰত এটা প্ৰগ্ৰাম লৈছোঁ। উদ্দেশ্যটো হ'ল আমাৰ কোকৰাঝাৰত ক'বলৈ গ'লে লোৱাৰ আছামত আমি বহুত আমাৰ ইয়াত বসবাস কৰা মানুহে আমাৰ ষ্ট্ৰকৰ আক্ৰান্ত হয়, বহুত মৃত্যুটো সাৱটি ল'বলগীয়া হয়। সেইকাৰণে আমি শিলিগুৰিৰ ৰিনন এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ ডক্টৰ মলয় চক্ৰৱৰ্তী ছাৰক আমি ইয়াত মাতি আনিছোঁ। কাৰণটো হ'ল ৰাইজক ষ্ট্ৰকৰ ওপৰত সজাগত কৰিবৰ কাৰণে, যাতে ভৱিষ্যতত আমাৰ ৰাইজে ষ্ট্ৰক ৰোগত আক্ৰান্ত হয় মৃত্যুৰ পৰা আমি বচাব পাৰোঁ।